Hi everyone, this is Chai from Advanced Web Design in the spring semester in 2018. Today I'm gonna show you design Google Calendars using the Bootstrap tools. So let's move on. For the first sign is that I'm showing you the whole my work branch using the Cloud9 functions. The first thing is that I'm gonna show you how to build this one. The mouse I'm currently hovering onto is the navigation bar with the drop-down buttons here. The coding is basically simple and easy. You just type whatever you want, like the buttons here and the drop-downs, including for ordered links and ordered link list. And then let's move on. For the next second bar is this one, the Google Calendar. Search into the calendars is here. Then move on to the third bar is this line with my personal emails here, and then share functions with the users can change. So then move on with the calendars, and then the dates, and we can just change them for the different functions, drop down menus here, and then move on the left bottom here, is that you can really think it's kind of not, I made it kind of device accessibly, but you can just drag them here and you see it's much clearer, much more proper view here. So basically this function is here. And also by using the scrolling here, this is also expandable. And you can just click which events you want to. And then just move on. I know the sections here, but I kind of create them by separating them with two sections. One is this one, and the other is from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And then here's the coding. Basically, just paste and paste, copy and paste. And then I also add a little bit CSS files here. I kind of make the image not too big because I'm just copying them. The original one is 200, but it's like adjusting them. And also for the coloring here, I'm making the calendar like a green colors. So that's all for my assignment. Thank you for your listening.